हेलो मैम, गुड आफ्टरनून।
गुड आफ्टरनून। कैसे हैं आप लोग? हेलो बेटी, हाउ आर यू?
Fine, ma'am.
ओके,
She is the director of GoGlobalWays.
great. So you people knows about it, right? So there is Anur. Anur, आपका कोर्स कंप्लीट हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, मुस्कान,
Yeah.
उत्कर्ष, आपका भी?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So how you like the course? You can tell me one by one.
Ma'am, very nice.
Okay, what you have learned in this course, Biche?
Ma'am, I have learned to make games, stories.
Good. Muskan, what is your favorite game you have made in this?
Apple catching one.
Apple catching one. Okay, you will be showing this game only?
No, I'll be showing some other, like
Okay.
my game is like that only.
Okay. Ainur, आपको कौन सी गेम अच्छी लगी?
One dinosaur game.
Dinosaur game, Walk-a-Mole, है ना? Right? है ना महक?
No ma'am, actually that one is Chrome, Google Chrome dinosaur game.
Yeah. Good. Great. Okay, so let's start with the project.
Yes ma'am.
So who will be the first to show me?
Utkarsh?
Yeah, Utkarsh. Introduce yourself and which class you are, right? And please share your screen and show us the project.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Utkarsh Sekri from class 7th. Today I will be presenting space battle game in front of you.
Okay, beta. So how we play this? You have to hit the coronavirus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How your score is getting?
When we hit the virus, it increases.
Okay. Show me how it is increasing. Play it. Okay, the virus is roaming here and there. You have got 2 score.
Yes,
You have
3.
missed. Yeah, and missed 12.
It is
Well,
also counting how many ghosts he missed.
yeah. So you have taken 2 variables, right?
Yes, ma'am.
To start the score. Very good.
Amazing project.
Very good, Utkarsh. That is about your game. We are happy to
Yes.
see your work. I suppose everybody likes it. Right, Matt?
Yes ma'am, a lot.
Okay. Great. So we can have a applause for Utkarsh.
Yes, yes.
Everyone, I need a applause for Utkarsh. I know Muskan. Great.
Keep it up,
Congratulations.
Utkarsh.
Congratulations. Awesome work. We like it.
Muskan Gupta. I study in class 7. My project is on recycling the waste. I'll have to collect the garbage like this.
Okay. So there are 2 bins here, right? Green and blue.
Yeah.
So how we move both of them?
Green one is moving with the help of the arrow keys, And the blue one is moving with help of Z and C.
Okay. Means you are collecting in both the dustbin. In which blue dustbin में क्या जाता है waste? What waste you are?
Then I'm collecting plastic, and in green I'm collecting paper.
Okay,
Amazing idea.
yeah, that is very creative.
Yeah, ma'am, unique too.
You know, biodegradable और कौन से हमारे होते हैं? You know that?
Yeah, the waste that can be recycled and
Are you using in it? Okay.
the waste that can be mixed with the soil.
You people use at your home, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Because it's too important nowadays.
Yes, it is. It is our Prime Minister's, vision to make Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and we have to
Yes,
make
ma'am.
it in 2 bins so that we can recycle these products.
Yes, ma'am.
That is very
Exactly.
good. Very good, Muskan. You have learned what you have learned in this course. I want to know about that.
I want to make games,
Right.
conversations,
Wow.
quizzes,
Wow.
etc.
How you like the picture blocks?
Like it. My sister also do. She
Okay.
learned some in a school, and first when I didn't know, she helped me.
Oh, wow. Great, great. That is great. So can we have an applause for Muskan?
Yes, yes.
Ainur, आप किसी के लिए clap नहीं कर रहे हो? Okay, that is great, Utkarsh. He's showing in a hand too.
Keep it
Good.
up, Muskan. Nice project you made. Awesome.
God bless.
My name is Anil Rahman, and I am class 6B, and I
Where you live,
I
beta?
study in Central Academy Senior Secondary School, Sardarpura, Udaipur, Rajasthan.
Okay, very
And
good.
the pin code is 313001.
Oh, be careful now. ठीक है? अब मुस्कान, महक, मैं, निधि और उत्कर्ष हम सारे आपके घर आ सकते हैं. आपने पूरा एड्रेस बताया हमें, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो हम लोग डिनर पे तुम्हारे घर पहुंच रहे हैं. ठीक है अनुर? Okay, let's see your project, what you have made. Tell us about it. Tell me what they people are doing. Okay, you are the expert of maths, then answer my questions. 4954. Oh, okay. 88096. What it is doing? Enter your first number, okay?
2 minutes.
Yeah, make it again. Right.
I think Hazel tells his own numbers, digit.
Yeah, they are telling yes, 5509, and he will make enter your first number. You have to enter 71, 7161, okay?
Yeah.
612, so big number. It's 3, I suppose. I can read it.
What is the second number?
Second number is only 4. Yes, let's see. You know, I can total easily, no? Plus. Okay, you had make it addition to 2. Okay.
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
divide.
Okay, you had made a calculator. They are, matlab, you stays in Rajasthan, so you have been doing it in a good, big monuments, right? What is that monument in the background? You know that?
Ma'am, castle.
Oh, it's a castle. Good. So they are with the castle and playing the calculations, mathematic calculation. That is good.
Nice combination.
Okay. The color combination is also good.
Yeah.
Great, Anu. That is a very good project. I hope you have learned a lot, right? Nice project. Keep it up. God bless you. Have a round of applause. I need a clap. Great. God bless you, beta. We like your project. So let's have a chit chat a little about it. Can you stop sharing the screen, Biche?
And stop your screen share. Yeah.
Yes. So you people have completed the course Go Expert Gamer, right? Have you submitted your capstone in the website? Not yet?
No.
Okay, so you will be submitting the capstone and you will be receiving the e-certificate. I need a pic by holding your e-certificate in a tab or an iPad or a computer laptop screen, right? Because nowadays we people are not moving out. Are you people going out there?
No.
Okay, it's better to stay at home and stay safe. Coronavirus
ma'am.
is still here. Whenever we need, we have to go out.
In our projects too, ma'am.
Yes, it is. Because, it's very tough to say about it.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Although we are not in a lockdown now, but we have to take all the precautionary measures for this. It's a very, very bad, that is good. Okay, so we will be having the next course. Ma'am has told you about it. Ma'am, you have told about that?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay. You can do the AI programs. You know what is artificial intelligence? You know? Uh, Tell me about something about artificial intelligence, Marvel. Have you seen a movie? Star Wars? No.
No. Yes.
So tell me something about AI. What is artificial intelligence? You are intelligent, you can calculate, you can think, you can answer, you are intelligent. You want to make your computer intelligent by your programs.
Yes, ma'am.
That is artificial intelligence, right? But what you have to do right now is we will be emailing you some capstone projects or other projects. You have to mail us back, right? And do like our Facebook page. We will be messaging you. Ma'am will be messaging you about it. You will have a certain set of things there.
Yes.
So you will be. Tell me. Yes, I know.
Ma'am, some projects were deleted.
Oh, why so?
Ma'am, because my computer was, my computer was some problems.
Okay, so you can make it again. It's not a problem. We can wait for you,
Yes,
right? Make it again. It will be a trial for you also, right? Practice makes a man perfect. It's not like a 1 day or 2 day you will be learning. So you have to make it through many, many more things by practicing, right? So you will be having a little things in the emails. So do check your emails and download your certificate and message us back, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I suppose that will be okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Congratulations, you are Go Expert Gamer now. Great. We are happy to see you people.
Congratulations to you all.
So can we leave it? है ना? That's all. Any other queries, बच्चे?
No,
Be
ma'am.
free to ask. Utkarsh? No queries?
No.
Okay. Okay, beta. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Time. Bye, bachche. Bye.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.